Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fife Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Fife Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in fife.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Fife Council Tax account. Tap on sign in to fife.gov.uk. It will take you to the login page of your Fife's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Fife Council Tax account and tap on sign in. Tick mark on the box that says show characters to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the option that says forgot username or forgot password. This is how you can log into your Fife Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.